The concept in this video helped me go from 0 to 100K a month in my coaching business. Alright, I was literally stuck at $0 profit for 16 months because I did not realize the gravity of this concept right here. So this is also one of the most popular emails I ever wrote. So the thing about success and building a business and hitting whatever revenue goal that you want to make, like there's 0 rules to the game. So what do I mean by this? You could wake up at 5 a.m. You could also wake up at 10 a.m. You could drink alcohol if you want. You could be 100% sober. You could take cold showers or warm showers. You can meditate. You can never meditate. You can have kids. You cannot have any kids. You could be 15 years old. You could be 70 years old. Like, what I'm trying to say here is success does not care. The only thing that matters is, did you do the work required or not? Like, that is the only thing that actually matters at the end of the day. So I used to, like, back in 2019 and 2020, when I was trying to get this online fitness coaching business off the ground, trying to figure this thing out, I would follow so many arbitrary rules that I set for myself. Like, I would have to wake up at 5 a.m. I would have to. Or literally, like, there'd be some nights where I'm staying up late, like till, 11, 12 at midnight. And I would still be like, gotta wake up regardless at 5 a.m. Like, I have to. Have to hit the gym at 5 a.m. Like, I must. And it was just arbitrary rule that I set for myself. I would also do so many challenges and, kind of like, I would force myself to take cold showers or meditate or go 100% sober for an exact XYZ period of time. And it's not like these are not a terrible thing, but it's like, it depends on what your goals are, right? It depends on what is the goal. Like, if we really define the goal, like what actually mattered to me most at that point in time is I was trying not to be broke. Like, I wanted to hit just like 10K a month and take home profit. Like, if I could do that, like I would be super happy. Like, that would be my goal. And so if that's the number one end goal, you got to cut out and trim all the fat that doesn't really matter. All right, these arbitrary rules are what I'm talking about. It does not matter what time you wake up. It doesn't matter if I'm drinking alcohol or if I'm sober. Obviously, like, this could have an impact on my work and level of focus and all that stuff. So these can actually like increase likelihood or decrease likelihood, but it's not like a yes or no. It's not black and white of like, hey, if I take a sip of beer, it doesn't mean I'm going to instantly like ruin my goals. Like, it doesn't work like that. All right, it doesn't matter what temperature I take showers at, unless like I burn my skin or something and I have to go to the hospital. All right, it doesn't matter if I meditate or not. Like, it just matters if I do the work. And I would have so many arbitrary rules set up for myself that actually did not matter. The only rule that matters is, hey, are the actions I'm taking, the work I'm doing on a daily basis, does that move the needle in the business, taking towards that goal that I set for myself? Like, that is the only thing that actually matters. And so if you're watching this video, like, I would encourage you, drop the arbitrary rules and really focus on what matters. Like, number one is to like determine the goal. All right, is your like biggest goal just to hit the XYZ revenue amount and take home that profit, or is your goal to like be a disciplined person and like be healthy and XYZ, whatever it is? Like, it could be either. Like, whatever it is, it's fine, but like, determine the goal. The goal determines the actions required. All right, and obviously, if our number one goal is to be healthy and hit XYZ health metric, that's a different goal than making X dollars amount of money. Like, it's different goals, and different goals require different actions. All right, I made this tweet, I don't know, it was like probably a year or two ago, of like, when I stopped taking cold showers, I made way more money, something like that. It was obviously better wording than that, but it's just like what I'm thinking of right now. And basically, the concept was that tweet was like this very thing. Like, if I want to generate revenue on business, cold showers generate me $0 in revenue. Like, it's cause and effect. Like, stop being like just think logically here. What is the cause to the effect? Like, what are the actions we need to take to get the outcome that we want? It is all cause and effect. Like, there's no magic, there's no luck. It's simply cause and effect in business. Are we doing the work required? All right, so cold shower. Like, if you want to get really good at cold showers, take cold showers. If I want to really get really good at working on the business and producing output, work more on the business. Same thing with like having a morning routine. Like, if you have a long morning routine, does it increase the amount of output that you have for your business or not? So if it doesn't, if you're spending 2 hours on crazy stuff and then you just work 2 hours less, then it's actually a waste of time. All right, if that's the goal, business is the number one goal. All right, that's why I have like literally like no morning routine. I just drink water, head to my laptop, start working. All right, that's all I do. So first thing is just determine the goal, and the goal determines the rule. All right, the goal determines the rules you must follow. That's it. Like that's the answer here. So stop making up arbitrary rules that don't really matter, and just figure out, hey, based on my goal, like these are the things I must do. This is the actual non-negotiables. Nothing else matters. Nothing else. So that's the video. Just a quick rant. If you're online coaching, you want to work with me one-on-one to actually scale your business, I have a pretty crazy offer to work with me one-on-one. So click the link below if you're interested to watch a free video, breaking that down, pricing, how it all works, all that good stuff. But follow this. Please drop the arbitrary rules and just start doing the work required to hit your goals. That's it. See you in the next one.